to how I spent the apocalypse. Shit I have to do because I'm always broke edition. Okay, so as you can see, I'm trying to put steel up the wall where it had a giant rotted spot because when the rain comes off the porch roof, it hits the wall, runs down, rots everything it touches. So I had to take out a bunch of wood. I don't know if we took footage of that or not. I had to take out a bunch of wood, spray for termites, put in a bunch of insulation, blah, 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 blah. And then I'm shotting it with the little teeny pieces that are left over from the freaking metal roof.
Right.
Okay, so we're down to nothing. I still have to cover, as you can see.
Yeah, I showed him that.
I have a piece to cover.
Yeah, I did that
there.
triangle close
Okay,
up.
so what am I doing? So, I know I need about 2 inches more than a full width of the steel. So I've got a piece of the full width of steel, but you can see what we're left with, people. Crap. Crap, 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 and crap. And so I'm putting that on there. It's going to be close, but I think I can make it work. Okay. And I've already cut a piece to go on the end, so that's done. So it's just filling in the middle. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, I've got it all here. Now that I've got it all, I have the measurements for that piece of tin. So now I'm going to take my handy dandy tape measure with my loyal assistant Dylan has handed me.
And there's his brother in the background.
And
Yay.
there's Lucas in the background. And I'm going to go to 31 inches here. Because, of course, it's an angle cut.
Yes, of course it is.
And I've got to cut 15 pieces.
Right, right.
There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces for one piece.
Yes. Lovely.
Okay, so 31 inches on that side. And this side is 22 inches.
Oh, I see. So you cut it straight at the top.
Well, okay, so what we did was we used the top of the table
Right.
as a straight edge on that side.
Loyal
Now
assistant.
we do this. Yeah, loyal assistant, line that up with the mark.
Here?
Yeah, no, you go on the bottom of, yeah, like that. Okay, you got it?
Hold it so it doesn't move.
Yeah, hold this so it doesn't move. Because that would suck. Okay, so, like I said, absolutely the most difficult way to do this. But, it's the reason why we're not living in a box by the side of the road.
Right.
Now,
Now-
what am I doing? I'm marking a K on them for keep because I don't want to crawl all the way up on that damn roof.
Are you going to number them
No.
so you know the order to put them in?
Oh my God. Okay, I guess I could. 1, 2, 3, 4. I guess that made a certain amount of sense, didn't it, boys? Remember that, boys. It sucks when your woman makes sense.
It's
And then
also
instead
rare.
of saying, you know nothing, you have to go, you're correct, dear.
Yeah, and it's rare though. It is rare.
You're correct, dear. That would make a lot of sense. So now we have to use an angle grinder and cut each one of these pieces. So this is your job, Lucas. You run the pieces over after we cut each one. Because I don't want to, I was just going to stack them in order.
Oh yeah, that makes sense too though. Yes.
So, okay, Dylan, you come and hold the, don't stand in the middle of those boards because they will break because you're such a huge fat ass, Dylan. You guys send money so we can send Dylan to fat camp. Don't step in the middle here. Step on top of the logs. Step right there. Now you're standing, oh my God, Dylan. You're killing me, boys.
You did notice that she's not only wearing glasses, she's wearing dark glasses, polarized safety glasses.
Oh, that's right. Let me tell you about my new eyes. So I've had my cataract surgery.
Which one goes over there?
Huh?
Which one goes over there?
Okay. Don't ask me questions like that's the good one. Okay, see he put it on there right.
Okay.
Okay, Lucas, take this one and bring me the next one. Take this one, throw it on. Not that. Oh my God, you guys are killing me. Put this one here. Okay, Lucas, take this one over, throw it on that steel pile, and get me the next one. So throw this in the discarded pile, and then bring me the next one off the table.
Okay, so about the eyes.
Okay, so about my eyes. So I have some surgeries. They were expensive. We already bitched about that.
Yeah, no,
Now I just
that
like-
one, yes.
And no, I'm not rubbing my eyes. I'm getting the sweat off of them. I now have 2015 vision, people.
Yep,
I have better than 20/20 vision, so
at distance.
rather nice at distance. I still have to have readers for up close vision. Now don't step in the middle. Step from that to this long, and then put your foot on. There you go.
So I'll come back when you're putting it up,
Throw this one away
okay?
and get the next one, Lucas.
Is that all right?
Huh?
I'll come back when you're putting it up.
Okay.
Hang on to the ladder, guys.
Oh, that there, wheel first. Don't stand underneath me when you're using You stuck him up.
Yeah, I did. I thought you were climbing up there. You're
Are
right.
you okay?
Oh, didn't get him. Yeah, he actually moved out of the way when you said that. Thank goodness.
Well, because I'm trying
Yeah.
to hang on to it.
I just want to show him what you've got there. The clamps. She's got clamps and a board,
I put a tube before here and I clamped it on so that I have something to keep shit from falling off.
including herself.
Although those clamps would not keep me.
They would not keep you from going, but it could make you hesitate a second.
Yeah. Let me slow
I'm
down.
going to get it from the other angle. I'm going to try to get a shot of her from this angle. This is not an easy place to work. Say hi to the people. Dylan said you had to cut one more piece.
Yes.
How's it coming for the people here?
It's good. I got it. It's just screwing it down and cleaning it now.
Yay!
Yeah.
Well, when you're down, I will go out and get a good shot.
Okay, then.
Awesome. And it's not yet 100 degrees, although it will be. Yeah. Feels like it. Feels like it. I love how you encased the vent. Or did they do that?
Yeah.
Above your head, there's a vent on the eaves. Did they do that?
Oh, that's been there forever.
Okay. I mean, but they encased it, right?
That's original equipment.
Aha. Oh, it's just painted.
I just painted.
You just painted it. That's why it looks so fresh and shiny.
Yeah.
Okay, because you've been up there painting too. Yeah. Okay, they're just going in. I want to show you the side as much as I can. I can't get any closer because of the pool. But anyway, that whole side down to the brick, she had to strip a lot of the siding off, and a lot of it was stuff she'd repaired in the past, but the rain just poured off of there and made huge messes. Yeah, and pool looks gorgeous. Really inviting today, where it's going to be, heat index is going to be in the triple digits. And I will come back in a second and show you from the distance what happened on the roof. And you can see the triangle of steel that she put there on the side of the house there where it came down to join what's in the pool yard. And she went ahead and painted and did all the repair and everything that needs to be done up there. So she doesn't have to get back on that hot steel roof again. Anyway, someday we'll be finished painting this house. All we have left to do, is the pool yard, which starts at the fence and that window. You can even see the window on the left is painted up to that. And that third window on the right, it hasn't been painted around it yet. So anyway, it's in the pool yard. We'll get all of this Oh no, I'm lying to you. It's painted past the windows. There we go, I see it now. It's painted past the windows. You can see where the fresh paint stops. So we're going to paint, scrape, finish all of that. This last little bit on the side is on the outside, and then the back will be easy. Except for that one piece that's visible from the side that's in the pasture. Everything in the back is going to be just plain gray, because why decorate it? The goats don't care, right? Also, you'll see that we never did get around to putting a board on the bottom here, and you can tell what a difference it makes, because see, it's rotting there, so there will be a board and a bunch of repair. And yeah, I will definitely videotape.